My name is Ofer Soframi, CEO of Django Connectivity. Django is an AI software company, and we have VuDrive, which is a video telematics solution for fleets. The problem fleet managers face is mostly distracted drivers. Drivers are not looking at the road, preoccupied with other stuff during their ride, and basically not paying attention to actual driving. This is very dangerous and can cause fatal accidents. VuDrive is a full video telematics solution combined from a camera, which is mounted within the vehicle. The camera has AI inside that can detect various aspects of the driver's behavior. The camera is basically comprised of two cameras. One is looking at the driver, and the other one is looking at the road. The camera that is looking at the road is recording the road constantly, and the camera that is looking at the driver is recording the driver, but also monitoring his behavior. It also detects accidents, sharp cornering, and your current speed. In addition, you have a full web cloud platform that enables the fleet manager to view all the events. And in real time, the drivers receive all the alerts about risky or distracted behavior. The software detects your face and eyes, and also your hands. And by doing that, it can understand if you are looking away from the road, closing your eyes, talking on your phone, so where your hands are in the space, and also the fact that you're not holding the wheel. The data is transmitted from the device to the cloud over Wi-Fi or over 5G or 4G connectivity. Then the fleet manager has the option of viewing all of this data through dashboards. He has, for example, one dashboard that is showing everything in real time. Top 5 best drivers, worst drivers, a map that shows all of the vehicles in real time, which rides or which vehicles are on the road right now, different problems that might occur with the cameras if, for example, a camera is being covered by the driver, and a list of all of the trips that have been done in the recent month, day, week, that has many events that were created due to the behavior of the driver. The system is designed for fleets, fleet owners, insurance companies that want to reduce premium, for example, by offering our system. Telematics companies that has already a cloud platform and can provide driver behavior based on telematics alone and want to add video driver behavior to their system, and that can also be done by integrating our data into their system. The feedback we're getting from fleet managers is that this system enables them to see things that they were not able to see in the past. And with this system, you know it in real time, plus the fact that you have the proof for it. I'm very proud of having this product developed by Django. This enables fleet managers to reduce accidents. The drivers are more safe on the road, and other vehicles on the road are more safe. And that can literally save lives.